Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Ari Shah, and today we're going to be talking about a few things to educate everyone. And let me know if you guys want more how-to videos or what content you want most. Right now, we've been talking about shitcoin, altcoins that have just absolutely been booming, such as meme coins. That being said, how can you buy these coins? There are two options right now. The two most popular options are Uniswap, where you have very high gas fees. This is based on the Ethereum blockchain. We have videos on Uniswap. You can definitely check those out. And we have a big bag of Uniswap. We also believe in PancakeSwap, and that is the DEX for the Binance Smart Chain. And we have seen Binance coin go up exponentially since they started launching projects on their DEX. The one good thing about PancakeSwap is that the fees are exponentially lower because it's vertically integrated with Binance's exchange. So when you want to use PancakeSwap, you can download your Trust Wallet on your phone, and I have a video on Safemoon on how to buy Safemoon. You guys can check that out. Full iPhone tutorial where you download the Trust Wallet onto your phone. You use Binance Exchange, Binance US if you're in America. You deposit from your bank account into Binance. You buy some BNB and you send your BNB to your Trust Wallet. Once you get to your Trust Wallet, you will swap your BNB for Binance Smart Chain. From there, you can use PancakeSwap through the browser tab in your Trust Wallet. And to do that, just watch the Safemoon video and you'll understand. There's a link you'll put into Safari. It'll say open Trust Wallet and then PancakeSwap, and that browser tab will show up. BNB has exploded for this reason. And that is how you purchase on Binance Smart Chain using Trust Wallet to utilize PancakeSwap. And for Uniswap, you're going to be using MetaMask, a second layer protocol, and it was used and made for Ethereum specifically. So Ethereum's network and all of these ERC20 tokens are on Uniswap. However, because of Ethereum's success and how many projects they have and the way they're structured, they're more decentralized than PancakeSwap. However, their gas fees are 10 times more at the minimum. To buy Shiba Inu or Kishu Inu or any of those meme coins, we're paying hundreds of dollars just to purchase. But who cares when we're going up 100x? That being said, a lot less risk from the start when you're using Binance Smart Chain. I try to stick there, to be honest. The fees do matter. But you guys, let me know in the comments below. What do you think? Do you prefer Ethereum projects or do you prefer Binance Smart Chain projects?
All right, everyone. So we're going to show you how to use your Trust Wallet and how to get the address for the coin you want. We're going to be buying Safe Pluto today. One of my subscribers directly messaged me on Instagram, so I had to absolutely buy it. This coin is only 7 days old, but you can go to your Trust Wallet. You can click PancakeSwap. You see we click the browser, and you see we are transferring BNB for any token that you have the contract address for it. You want to be aware of rug pulls in this space, but there are a lot of coins that are recently being released, and it's a good opportunity to buy these coins that don't have that much money into them, that are getting poured into the day of, and they start rising in price, similar to Safemoon and Safe Mars. So we're going to buy 0.15 worth of BNB of Safe Pluto. That would be around $100, and we set the slippage to 12. And we are going to confirm this, and we see $100.56. Boom, close. You go to your wallet and you want to add Safe Pluto. Boom. And we're done. Safe Pluto should be at... Safe Pluto is... Where is Safe Pluto? Right here. So yeah, guys, if you have any questions on how to purchase on PancakeSwap, let me know. If you want a tutorial similar on Uniswap, let me know as well. We do that on our desktop and we use MetaMask to do so. But the Binance Smart Chain is easier for people only at $50 or $100, because if you try to go buy Kishu Ino or Hokkaido Ino on Uniswap, you're going to pay $100 to $200 just in fees. And some people don't even have that money. So guys, as always, thank you for your time. Nothing's more valuable than your time except your money. So I'll see you next time with some more gems.
Take me to the moon. I want to go so high. We're going to the sky. Yeah. Safemoon, blowing my mind. Safemoon is going so high. Safemoon, gonna make me cry. Oh yeah, going so high.
Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go to the moon, moon. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go to the moon, moon.
Safe moon, yeah, let's go, bro. It's time to FOMO. Make me cry, baby. I can't wait, I can't wait. Millie's on the May, Millie's on the way. I can feel it, yeah, I can feel it on the way. Yeah, safe moon on the way, safe moon on the way, safe moon on the way. I get more today.
Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go to the moon, moon. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go to the moon, moon.
It's still early right now. Get that moon right now. 4 trillion tokens burnt to the ground right now. Over 600 holders, that's too many to beholders. If you knew what we were going to a milli now. 3.5 market cap, going to 10 billion now. 10 billion market cap would be at least a 3x now. 3x your money tomorrow. Binance list is coming, that shit is inevitable.
Safe moon, blowing my mind. Safe moon is going so high. Safe moon, gonna make me cry. Oh yeah, going so high.
Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go to the moon, moon. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go to the moon.